Controller drift can be frustrating, but there are several ways to address the issue. Follow these steps to help speed up the process of fixing your PlayStation 5 controller drift. Step 1. Identify the drift. Before taking action, confirm that your controller is indeed experiencing drift. Connect your controller to the PS5 and navigate through the menus. If the cursor moves without any input, you likely have drift. Step 2. Clean the joystick. Dust and debris can cause drift. Use a can of compressed air to blow around the joystick base. You can also use a cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to clean around the joystick. Allow it to dry completely before testing. Step 3. Update the controller firmware. Ensure your controller is running the latest firmware. Connect it to your PS5, go to Settings, then Accessories, and select Controllers. Check for any available updates and install them. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In some games, you can adjust the dead zone settings for the joystick. This can help mitigate drift by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Check the game's settings for controller options and adjust accordingly. Step 5. Consider professional repair. If the drift persists after cleaning and adjustments, it may be time to seek professional help. Contact Sony support or a certified repair service to evaluate and fix the controller. By following these steps, you can address controller drift effectively. Regular maintenance and updates can help prolong the life of your controller.